Pantex has a proud history. We started as a loading munitions facility in World War II and is now the main component of nuclear security enterprise for the assembly and disassembly of nuclear weapons. When you come out here and work at Pantex, you're part of a team that takes care of each other and the community in which we live. Our employees come from many different backgrounds, cultures, and career paths. But at the end of the day, they come together as Pantexans to protect our nation's security.
Before I came to Pantex, I was in the Air Force and I did nuclear, biological, chemical warfare.
Before I came to Pantex, I was working a similar position for a medical diagnostics company.
I was a senior project controls engineer throughout the U.S.
I worked for an oil and gas company for 20 years. I was a supervisor of word processing.
I was a college student at West Texas A&M University.
Worked in Houston, Texas for an engineering consulting firm. I worked geographic information systems.
I worked for a professional independent baseball team.
My job consists of getting components for the weapons and planning out and provisioning for those components.
We pretty much manage the group of technicians that assemble and disassemble the weapons here at the plant.
I work in the metrology department, and what those guys do in there is they calibrate test and measurement instruments.
And when I first got here, I was intimidated. I mean, you get here, you see the gate, you see all the guys, all the safety men. It's changed for me now personally because I see the family atmosphere that my friends were telling me about. A lot of the people I work with, we go out and have food together, or we'll barbecue, and a lot of us play sports together. So for me, it's kind of a dream come true.
The Pantex culture is unique. It's intimate. It is very professional, but there's something unique here at Pantex. It's more than just co-workers.
The people who I work with, we come together as a team. And they say something out here, we call ourselves Pantexans, and it's kind of special. We have this camaraderie where we're almost a family out here.
The people here are great. It's definitely a team environment. It's a place you'll come and you'll want to stay. You'll really feel like you're part of something good, something special.
You do have to have a background investigation in order to get a security clearance. Pretty much they go interview your friends and family and previous places of employment just to make sure you have the right mindset and you're the right character for the job.
The process to get onboarded at Pantex usually starts with submitting your application, and then you'll get a phone call for an interview.
And after the interview, it wasn't that long before they made an offer.
And after that, the ball starts rolling pretty good. I went through a physical, and usually at other places they'll have you take drug tests. This is a lot more involved than that. It's something that's very necessary. You don't have to study for it. It's fine. You'll fill out a lot of paperwork about yourself, because to work out here, not everybody can do it. They want to know a lot about you, and that's okay. It's a good thing.
Well, it's just a matter of sitting down and filling out the questionnaire online. It's not that difficult.
And that's it.
There are so many opportunities here that you can do. There are several different types of jobs out here. It's not just engineering. It's not just making nuclear weapons. It is several different components that happen and things you can do. And each one of those pieces is going towards something much bigger.
Right now, this nation is worried about security. And working at Pantex, I know that I am part of that security complex in supporting our nation and making this nation safe. And anyone that comes here is gonna be part of that.
So being a part of Pantex, not only does it bring pride to me, it brings joy to me because I know that I'm actually doing my part in protecting not only my country, but my family.
What we do, assembly and disassembly, is not done anywhere else. And I'm proud of what we do. We support our service men and women. We support the United States of America, and that's what we're here to do, is the job to support.